Everyone, I know that was a lot of information, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a whole video with my daughter. We're going to walk through it step by step. I'm not going to show her little face, but I want to show you me and how I'm interacting with her. The other thing I want you to remember is every piece of this lesson can be pulled out and you can do it one at a time. So if you're not ready to learn how to do all of these things yet, just start with phonemic awareness. Just watch that video, just read those pages of the guide, and just do that part of the lesson. And when you're feeling more confident, then you're going to move on. The point of this is to not feel pressured. Don't feel pressure to do it right. Don't feel pressure to do it all, because that pressure will leak down to your little one. The only thing you need to feel pressure to do is have fun reading.
Hi, beautiful. Are you ready to do some reading with me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm so excited to be reading with you. We're going to start off by playing a little sound game. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Because if you can hear the sounds, you can read the words, and then you can write the words, okay? So you ready? You're going to listen to some sounds with me, and you're going to tell me the word you hear. Are you ready? At. What word is that? Now listen to the sounds. At. Can you put all those sounds together for me? Well, you're doing so good, but listen to the sounds. Ready? Not the letters. Oh my gosh, those are the letters. Give me some. Oh, but I want you to see if you can put it all together into a word, okay? At. Nice! Ready? Ought.
Hot.
Woo! Ready? Fun.
Fun.
Ooh, high five. All right, I think our little brains are warmed up. Now we are ready to hit some sounds. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've already learned all of our sounds. So we're just gonna play a quick game with our sounds. Are you ready?
Yeah.
But before we do that, let me just pretend like you don't know this one, okay? I would say, are you ready? This is the letter O. The letter O can have 3 sounds. Did you know that?
Yeah.
O can sound like ah, O, or ooh. Ah, O, or ooh. Okay? All right. You ready? Pick a card, any card. If you pick a card and you know the sound, you get to keep it. Pick a card. Pick a card. Oh. What's the sound? Nice, you get to keep it. All right. Don't take all my cards though. I want some. Pick a card. I hope you don't know it. Don't know it. Don't know it. What's that? What's that? What's that?
C.
What's the sound? Good. Oh, you took another card from me.
And
What's that?
S.
What's the sound? Ooh, you are on fire. Oh no, I only have 3 cards left. What's the sound? You got it. What's the sound? Oh my gosh. Did you know A can also sound like A? Yeah. Oh, give me some, girl. You knew all my sounds. All right, next we're gonna go over some of our words, but we're just gonna do these quick, okay?
Okay.
What's the word?
C.
Beautiful.
A.
Hey, good.
Had.
Good. I want you to take a look at this one. What's this word?
As.
Has. Are there, look at the sounds in has. We have h, has, has. We have 3 sounds. Do you see that? But look at this letter S. It's kind of making an unexpected sound. What sound does the letter S make in this word? Z, right? It sounds like Z. That's kind of weird. S has 2 sounds. It can sound like S or Z. So I put a little heart here so we remember that by heart. This is the word. What's the word? Yeah, good. That's the sound. What's this whole word? Has. Awesome. So now that we're all warmed up, we've gone over our sounds, we've gone over our words, we are ready to read our book. Here's our book today. Before we start reading, what do you see? Do you see anything? Do you see anything here? What do you see?
Family. family.
You see a family. Who's in the family?
Dad,
Maybe
dog,
a dad.
dog, and lady.
Awesome. Let's read the title. Ready?
Up, pup.
Do you know what a pup is?
A baby
A
dog.
baby dog. Awesome. So we're going to read up, pup. And if you get to any words, we're going to point to them and see what we read. Ready?
That was
Let's sound that one out.
Bob's kid.
Good. Do you see this apostrophe S right here?
Yeah.
It means the kid belongs to Bob. So Bet was Bob's kid. So who's this?
Bob.
Yeah, and Bob is her dad because she's his kid, right? All right, can you point to the words this time?
Pug was at Bet's dog.
Good job. I loved how you said every sound in the word pug and then you, boom, blended it together. Ready?
But was pups up pugs pup.
Give me some. At first you read pup, but then you switched it to pugs. And that's what great readers do when they make a mistake. They reread it and see. Ready?
Bob sat on a rug.
Beautiful.
Bet sat on Bob.
Nice, you super reader.
Pug sat on Bet.
Beautiful.
But Bud sat on Pug.
Look at where he's sitting. Where is he sitting? He's sitting on his head. Oh my goodness, that's so silly. Whoa. What's it say here?
Bob was up. Bet was up.
I'm getting nervous.
Was up.
Oh.
But was on top.
I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous. Uh-oh, what happened? Oh my goodness, they all fell down. So cute. The end.
I said the word up.
You did. Hey, can I ask you a quick question about this book we just read?
What?
What did you think of when they all sat on the rug together? Did that remind you of anything? Yeah. Does that make you think of anything?
Yeah, it makes.
What does that make you think of?
Well, falling down on me.
Oh, when this happened, it made you think of when you, because you fell down on the rug on Friday, right?
Mhm.
So you learned a lesson on Friday, didn't you? We got to be a little careful on rugs. Should we teach these friends that lesson?
Yeah.
That is an awesome lesson you learned.
We could go to that house one day.
I so agree. All right, my love, we're gonna do one last thing. We're gonna do some writing, and I have a board here for you. And we lost the pen, but guess what? We can write with anything. So today we're gonna write with the back of the paintbrush. And I'm gonna pick a few words from our book, okay? But I'm not gonna show you the word. I'm just gonna read it to you, and then I want you to tell me the sounds you hear and write the word. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Sat. What sounds do you hear?
S. A. T.
Write it, girl. Beautiful. Let's try 2 more words together. Let's do top.
B goes out.
Mm-hmm. Nice. That goes this way, baby. That's okay.
That's okay.
No biggie. Even when we make a little mistake, we can just fix it up. P.
Thanks.
All right, and let's try the word rug.
G.
Beautiful. Can you read back those words you wrote for me?
Sat. Up. Rug.
Give me the high five. Gabriella, you are so smart. You heard it, you read it, and you wrote it tonight. Can I have a big hug?
Yeah, but
Thanks for reading with me.
I want to do a little game with you.
You want to do more? Let's do it, girl.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, I just recorded my video with my daughter and I have to say something. It went so well, it was so cute, so I'm still posting on here because I want you to see what it looks like and how easy it gets once you get in the groove. But I also want to say it did not start that easy. For the first, over a month that I did this, it was literally me reading and her reading after me. So it sounded like this. At, mat. And she would say, at. What's that? And I was like, okay, let's try again. At, mat. And she would say, at, mat. And it was very repetitive. We did the same thing over and over and over again through many days because that jump of like how to blend words is a big jump. Now, I say go at your child's pace, and I mean that, but I got like bored of reading that first book over and over again. So once she had the letters in the first book, I did move on to the next book, and I just felt like the right choice for me. You can wait on that book as long as you want. But I moved on once she had the letters mastered, and we continued to move. And I remember about a month into this process, I looked at my husband, I was like, maybe I don't know how to teach kids how to read. And then it clicked once she started to be able to blend, which was the inspiration of why I wanted to make this course, because that feeling and being a part of that feeling for your child is magic. You will love it. And if you stick in there and hang in there and let it just go slow and go at their pace, I know you will get there too. So I know watching my daughter and I do it may have felt easy, right? It went from a 20-minute routine down to 10. At the start, it was a little bit slower because she wasn't getting most of what I was teaching her. And if your child will only give you 5 minutes or they're not comfortable sitting for that long, put them in your lap. Get up and move. Make it work for you and your kid. It doesn't have to look exactly how I teach it. I just wanted you to see a model of those foundational skills you're trying to hit. So I hope you have fun reading with your little one too.